For wash care and maintenance, always dry clean. Do not wash in water. So let's get started. This is saree number 1 for this video. Nice blue-grey saree or ice blue or blue-grey. Non-zari border. It doesn't have any zari to it. It's a plain saree with hand block prints on both sides. That's the pallu. Comes with a running blouse. This saree is priced at 4,500. Extremely lightweight saree. Can be carried for your workwear. It's very, very elegant. This is again a non-zari saree. Extremely lightweight. These are gachi, running sarees where we've given prints all over. So this one is a Kalamkari print in a nice pink shade. So the other thing that I want to say is these are gachi tussars and are hand woven and will definitely have thread gaps and thread pulls. All those are not considered damages. Those who are someone who wears tussar regularly would know. But if you are new to tussar, and there are different kinds of tussars as well. These tussars are matte in nature, not very silky like the south silks, and definitely will have thread gaps in the saree, thread pulls in the saree. So some of you who may not have worn tussars but want to try tussars, wanted to keep you informed. We don't take returns or exchanges on thread gaps or thread pulls, and prints also. If it is hand prints, slight misprints, like 1 or 2 places, like if it is there, then those are considered as part of your handloom sarees. So those will not be taken for returns and exchanges. So this one is a nice Kalamkari printed saree. The entire body has Kalamkari prints in subtle grey and pink tones. The border is kept plain. Since the body is completely printed, the border is kept plain and the pallu and blouse are also kept plain. So this is the plain blouse. This saree is priced at 4,400. Next is a color variant of the previous saree. Same design, Kalamkari prints in a nice orange shade. Its body has Kalamkari prints with black outline, grey and pink fillings, and the border is kept plain. The whole body has printed Kalamkari work, nice peacock and floral vines. That's the plain pallu, and this comes with a plain blouse. It's totally a non-zari saree. This saree is priced at 4,400. Next is a nice zari border tussar with blue with olive green shade. It does not look like a zari border tussar though, because it is dyed for the borders, and that light gold sheen is muted with the dye that is given in olive green color. It's a beautiful floral vine print throughout the body. It's a neat print. It's a nice casual wear. So that's the pallu. And this comes with a self-printed blouse. So it comes slightly up close. So that's the blouse piece with self prints on it. It's a beautiful saree. It's the same green that comes in the blouse is used for the print, the vines in between here. This saree is priced at 4,800. So this is a nice small printed natural tussar color shade with green combination. Natural beige color, natural tussar color. It's not dyed at all for the body. Instead we've given small green prints. It's like tiny leaf prints and a nice bottle green or dark green shade borders. That's the pallu. Comes with a plain dark green blouse. I'll come slightly up close and show you the print on the body, because from far off I'm not sure if it is visible. That's the small tiny prints. So this saree is priced at 4,800. Next is a beautiful peach color saree with a myriad of colors. There was a lot of demand for this saree. So the body is peach. The borders you can see has peaches and pinks given like a myriad of colors, and on top of it there is a block print given, and it's a slightly broader border for the lower side. You can see that there are multiple shades of pinks and slight use of orange wherever that myriad of colors is there. So first the body is dyed and then the myriad of colors is dyed. On top of it the block print is done. It's a lot of hand labor. That's the pallu. And this comes with the nice striped blouse in pinks and orange. That's the blouse piece. So this saree is priced at 4,900. Next is a nice zari border with zari checks saree. The most demanded design was this zari checks throughout the body and hand painted, hand drawn and painted Kalamkari pattern for the pallu. It's a nice yellow with blue combination. It's a nice turmeric yellow for the body. That's the body. It has zari checks throughout and that's the pallu. Same patterned blouse. That's the blouse piece. Hand drawn and hand painted. This saree is priced at 5,500. Next is again a checked with Kalamkari design saree. Nice green with violet combination. So green for the body. Nice tissue saree borders on both sides and nice zari line checks throughout the body. That's the pallu. Nice violet color, hand painted, hand drawn and hand painted pallu. And you will have the same pattern for the blouse. That's the blouse piece. So coming up close and showing you how the check looks like. That's the check. So that's the pallu. So this saree is priced at 5,500. So this is a unique one of a kind saree. It's a nice partly type saree. So for the upper half you can see that it is peach and for the lower there will be a lot of green. For the upper half you can see that it is hand drawn and hand painted and over that we've given hand French knots. So it's a one of a kind exclusive saree. So I'll come slightly up close. So that's the view of the top portion. Okay, for the pleat portion it would be like this. It will be green and in the lower border you will have the same design as the upper half of the saree. Hand drawn, hand painted and then there's a hand French knot also. So it will look very nice. When you pleat this after there's going to be a lot of green here. Sorry, I'm just doing a random pleat because I don't want to disturb the folding of the saree. So it will look something like this. So it's a nice partly saree with green and peach shade and it's completely handcrafted. Hand drawn, hand painted and then hand French knot. So it's a lot of hand labor that has gone into it. This saree is priced at 6,850. To make a purchase of any of the sarees shown in this video, please take a screenshot and message us on WhatsApp us on 98405 7110. Happy shopping and thank you.